Given an array of integer nums and an integer k, return the num of contiguous subarrays where the product of all the elements in the subarray is strictly less than k. Okay. Let's see the constraints. K can be 0, and the length of the nums must be bigger or equal to 1. Since we know that this problem is dealing with subarray, so first the intuition comes out from our head is 2 pointers or the sliding window. Let's see an example. For example, here is array, and let's start from the left pointer from 0. And also right pointer from the 0, and here is our result. Let's move our right pointer. For example, at the very beginning, we say that the first number is smaller than k, so our result is 1. And then right now we can move our right pointer. In this window, from 0 to 1, we can know that our result should plus 2, because when the right pointer is 1, we not only let's assume that the product of these two numbers inside this window is smaller than k. If that is true, the second number, which is a single number, which is definitely smaller than the product of these two numbers, the second number is also definitely smaller than k, so we plus 2 here. Let's assume that when the right pointer points to 2, this window also, the product of the numbers inside this window is also smaller than k. Then we should not only count this subarray, we should also count this one and also this one. So right here we should plus 3. And let's move our right pointer again. When it's here, we say that it doesn't meet our requirement here, so instead of plus 4 here, we should try to find another valid window to meet our requirement. So let's move our left pointer. Let's say when we move to 2 here, when left pointer equals 2, we say that it is a valid window here. So we should not only so instead of 4 here, we should only plus 2, which is this which we count this window and also this number here. So the algorithm is like that. Let's write the code. Let's see whether there is a special condition. We can see the second example here. When k equals 0, it returns 0, because we know that there is no such kind of situation. So we can write the condition like here. When k is equal or smaller than 1, we can just return 0. And here we have to initialize the left pointer as 0, and also the result at the 0. Also, we have to initialize the current product, which calculate the product inside the window. We initialize it at 1. So we have to traverse through the nums for right num in enumerate nums. calculate our current product by multiply each number here. Okay, so we just move our window until it's valid, while current product is bigger or equals to k, we should make our current product valid. So we divide it by the value points by the left pointer, and our results cannot change here. We just move our left pointer to make our current product valid. And here, when the current product, when it breaks out of the loop here, the current product is smaller than k. So right now we can say that it is a valid window. So we just add it to our result, which is right minus left plus 1, and we just return our result, which is valid. Okay, it is accepted. And the time complexity here, this is on, this operation, it takes on time. And here we will move our left pointer. The worst situation is it moves to the end of the array. So this operation is also takes on time, and in total it takes all 2 multiple n time, which is also on time in total. That's all. Thank you.